Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the average function in Google Sheets step by step. The average function helps you quickly calculate the average value of a group of numbers without manually adding and dividing them. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets on your computer. Create a new spreadsheet or open the sheet where you want to calculate an average. For this example, we have a list of numbers in column A under the heading Values. Now, click on the empty cell where you want the average result to appear. To use the average function, type equals average A2 colon A11. This formula will calculate the average of all the values from cell A2 to A11. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will automatically calculate the average and display the result in the selected cell. You can also use the average function by selecting the cells manually. Type equals average, then select the range of numbers you want to calculate, close the bracket, and press Enter. For example, selecting the values from A2 to A11 will automatically create the formula for that range. The average function is useful for calculating things like test scores, sales averages, expenses, ratings, and other types of data. If you add new values to your list, you can update the cell range in the formula to include the new numbers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the average function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials, spreadsheet tips, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.